Hi guys, this is the OnePlus 60 invite which I have just received. We are gonna unbox it and see what this box contains. It's a big and heavy box. I don't think it's just an invite here. Here's the invoice. Gift in a stationery, it says. So box inside a box. It's a box inside a box. It's kind of exciting. And unlock the OnePlus 60 launch event. It has a box here. These are some kind of glasses. It says speed, the unlock, and these are blanks. Well, I'm not able to relate. Let's see what this card says here. It starts with you. Every device we build and every decision we make is inspired by you. We want to launch the next OnePlus the same way it was built with you. This invites hides a glimpse of the future, designed to combine speed and convenience. We have developed a feature that we believe will change the way you interact with your phone. At first glance, the glass cards included in this invitation may seem unconnected, but there is more to these cards than meets the eye. Arrange them in the right order to unlock a hidden message. Oh my god. We invite you to experience a different kind of speed, the kind of speed that makes every experience more enjoyable, immersive, and fluid. Speed and smoothness work hand in hand to deliver a truly effortless flagship experience, giving you the power to do more faster. It's time to unlock the speed. Due to its glass construction, we recommend that you handle this invitation with care. OnePlus cannot be held liable for damage and the injury resulting directly or indirectly from the misuse of this product. It's blank from the back side. These are the glasses which I am supposed to order in a manner that it unlocks a message. Let's see the another glass here. Okay, it seems like, oh, now I get it. I don't think there is something else in this box. That's it. So now I am supposed to arrange all these glasses like this. Unlock the speed. Well, you see guys, let's arrange more, but unlock the speed. I think something is missing.